Hey there, it's your girl Brittany here, and I'm coming back to you with a simple and short, gentle yoga flow to unwind. This is perfect for after work or when you're just feeling a little bit of stress and tension in your body. I'm putting myself to the test, and I'm trying to record one YouTube video a day to give you at least your daily dose of 5 minutes of bliss. So I hope you join me on this fun challenge I've set for myself. To bring you more yoga videos and more spiritual videos, but also getting me out of my comfort zone. So, just like I like to start most of my floor sequences, I like to sit in easy sitting pose. So go ahead and sit crisscross applesauce. If this doesn't feel good, go ahead and put some pillows underneath your knees. And we're going to close our eyes down, roll those shoulders down and back. Start taking nice deep inhales into the belly. Exhaling completely through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling through the mouth. Inhaling in. Exhaling. Inhaling deeply. Exhaling completely. Beautiful. I invite you to cleanse your aura with me. So we're going to inhale our arms down, around, and up. Exhale, bringing them hands to heart center. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale, lifting the arms down, around, and up. Exhale, hands to prayer at chest. Inhale, lifting the arms up nice and high. Reach for the sky. Hands together. Hands to heart center. We're going to go ahead and place our hands to our knees. And we'll start taking gentle spinal rotations. So go ahead and take your torso over towards the right. Bringing the heart forward, arching the back forward. And then taking your body over towards the left, rounding in the back. Taking gentle spinal rotations here. And you can make these as big or as little as you'd like, but the goal is just to get some movement around the spine. And you'll go the other direction. Remember to rounding the back on the back, bringing the heart forward on the front. And we'll do that just a few times here. You're doing so good. This should be opening up some of that lower back tension. Also just opening up some good feels in the torso area. And then we'll slowly find ourselves in stillness here. Then we're going to take our left hand to our right knee. We're going to bring our shoulders down away from the ears, placing the right hand behind us. Our gaze is going to come over our right shoulder. Breathing here, rolling those shoulders down and back. Inhale, lifting the arms up, coming to center. Exhale, placing that right hand to the left knee, rolling those shoulders down and back. Gaze is over the left shoulder now. Breathing here. Then we'll slowly inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Beautiful. And we're going to inhale, do that again. Inhale, lifting the arms up. Exhale, cactusing the arms this time, bringing them down at a nice 90 degrees, nice and slow. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, slowly cactusing the arms down. 1 more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, cactus the arms. Beautiful. And so from here, we're going to tee the arms before we give ourselves a self-love hug. So we're going to inhale the arms nice and wide and open, and gaze can come up. Then you're going to exhale, bring the right arm over the left, and just grab each shoulder, pulling those shoulders down away from the ears. Take a nice deep inhale in. And exhale, bringing the shoulders down away even more. You can gently rotate yourself here. And you'll keep rotating. And I'm gonna pause that. Okay. And then we're gonna inhale, tee the arms out nice and wide. Exhale the left arm on top, same hug, pulling the shoulders down away from your ears. Taking a nice deep breath. And we'll then take those spinal circles in this hug. And then we'll go the opposite direction. This is pretty fun. And then we'll inhale, tee the arms one more time, nice and wide. Opening the heart, opening the throat. Slowly bringing the hands down, touch the earth, ground back down. Inhaling here. Exhaling completely. And as you're sitting here now, we're going to extend our legs out wide. And we're going to come into a seated wide leg position here. And we're going to just slowly walk our hands forward as to where it feels comfortable for you. And this felt really good in yoga class today. So wherever you get in your lowest comfortable position, slowly sway side to side. Get into that lower back. Getting into the backs of the legs, keeping the toes facing up. Breathing here. And whenever you're ready, come forward all the way. Breathing here. And this could be on your forearms. You could prop your hands up on your hands. You could have a block right here. Or if that's too much for you, go ahead and just place the hands down, but keep the elbows straight. Whatever feels good for you. Just breathe here. And whenever you're ready, begin to slowly roll yourself on up. And then we're going to take a quick little side stretch here. So go ahead and take your right hand out next to your right leg. Just go ahead and extend it out a little bit far near the shin. And so you can inhale, lift your hand here, or you can come onto your forearm. But the goal here is to keep the shoulder into its socket. And we're not dumping into our lower shoulder. That's nice and back too. So we're rolling both shoulders back, heart's going up towards the ceiling. And we're stretching into that left side body. And we're breathing here. And we're going to inhale, lift ourselves on up. And then we're going to take that other side. So go ahead and place the left hand near the left shin. Come down to the forearm if that feels good. Rolling the shoulders back, heart up towards the ceiling. Breathing here. You're doing really good. Inhale, lifting. Now we're going to flow it out. So we're going to flow to one side, bringing that arm up. Inhale, lifts you. Exhale, takes you over. Always lead with the hand that's up. So we'll take a few of these at your own breath. You're doing amazing. And we'll do this one more time each side. Beautiful, beautiful. You're doing amazing. So for our last pose, we're going to bring these feet together into Baddha Konasana. Bringing the soles of our feet together, butterfly pose or bound ankle pose. Go ahead and roll those shoulders back, sit up nice and tall, hands on the ankles. Breathing here. Dropping down from the thinking mind into the feeling body. Noticing if your legs are liking this pose. Feeling the opening in the body with those few poses that we've just done. And we'll do the same thing. We'll begin to fold forward. And whenever you get to your forwardest place, go ahead and sway the shoulders side to side. As if you could wiggle the heart forward a little bit more. Gently swing side to side. Breathing here. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and slowly pour forward. Extending from the heart. You can inhale, roll yourself on up. And come back into easy sitting pose. Before we close this out, I just want to say thank you so much for doing yoga with me. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. If you love learning with me, I have a awesome spiritual course for beginners who are ready to start their spiritual journey but aren't quite sure where to begin, or they keep getting lost in all the spiritual sauce, I like to call it. I invite you to check out my Activate Your Divine Light course. I will link that in the description below. And or you can come join me on Facebook at Happy Healing Cove, where I do meditations, yoga classes just like this, and I do live intuitive readings where I'll give you a reading, with a question or, universe's guided intuition. But I'm really excited to be doing this yoga. If you are in the Pittsburgh area, I invite you to come do yoga with me. I teach yoga every Thursday. All the links and all the good stuff is in the description of this. If you'd like to book a session with me, my website is brittanyRoseWellness.square.site. That's in the link too. Please like, share, and subscribe to let YouTube know you like my videos and you want to see more of them. I will see you in the next video. I hope this one brought some peace and openness into your hips and overall emotional feeling, and I'll catch you in the next one.